Question number 7. Question number 7. The line AB 90 millimeter long is inclined at 30 to the HP. So true length is 90 mm. Inclined to HP. That's why theta is 30 degrees. Its end A is 12 millimeter above HP, 20 mm in front of VP. Its front view length is 65. So front view length is 65 mm they are given. So that's why draw top view and also determine its inclination with VP. Inclination with VP means pi. Pi is how much? Pi is how much? That's why here, first of all, draw XY line. First of all, draw XY line. This is called reference line with H pencil. This is XY. Nothing but this is VP and this is HP. First you want to allocate one end A is 12 millimeter above HP, 20 millimeter in front of VP. So 12 above HP. Next 20 in front of VP. So that's why this is A dash and this is A. So this gap is 12, but this gap is 20. So you want to put the arrow marks with correctly. So A dash and A. Its front view measures 65, but where we want to draw front view we don't know. But line length is 90, inclined at 30 to HP. So inclined 30. So that's why at A dash, a line you want to draw parallel to XY line. This is locus of front view lines. Just draw how much length we don't know. At A, draw a parallel line which is parallel to XY. How much length we don't know. Just to draw two lines here. Now here angle is 30. So that's why take compass at A dash. Put angle 30. Angle 30. Extend the line. Extend the line. This is angle 30. Upon this line, true length is 90. So this is true length is 90. That's why by using compass, take 90 millimeter length. 90 millimeter length. A dash is center. 90 millimeter length. Cut the line. So this is B1 dash. So once you got the B1 dash, draw a line parallel to XY. This is locus of front view line. So this is locus of front view line. Front view line. Why? Because upon this line we want to get front view also. So here, so front view is 65. Front view is 65. So that's why take compass. Length is 65. Length is 65. Then A dash center. Here cut here. So here this is B dash. B dash. You want to make thick here. This is thick. Why? Because front view. So front view is 65. See, remember that once line is inclined to HP, true length is 90, but front view is 65. This is shorter than the true length. So condition is satisfied. Once you got front view and top view, just draw a vertical lines from B dash. Just draw length. How much we don't know. Just draw the two lengths in this way. Afterwards, where the point we want to cut the true length 90, you want to extend the line up to top view length only. Up view, top view side, you want to extend it. Don't go more than. So this point you want to extend up to here. After that, by using compass, A center, this is the point is the radius. You want to extend the line. It cuts here, that is top view. So where it touches, that is top view. So this is the point we want to get. So that is top view. This is the top view. So B. Once you got the top view, just to draw a locus of top view line. So this is locus of top view line. But already you know this true length is 90. True length is 19 in the front view side. Same true length you want to cut top view side also. A center 90 radius. Cut this line. Then join them. Join them. Here this is B1. So this angle is called as pi. So the line makes with inclination with VP means pi. Now you want to measure that pi angle with compass. So protractor. See 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees. So 45 is. So pi equal to 45 degrees. Why? Because in this problem you asked that determine its inclination with VP. Pi equal to 45 degrees. Front view is 65. So now you want to take the top view line also. Why? Because front view, top view you want to make thick. So here, so unnecessary lines here, this is you want to erase it. So here, once the line is inclined to HP, inclined to VP, front view and top view both are shorter than the true lengths. Both are shorter than 90, shorter than 90. Suppose you want to make how much angle made by the front view, then you want to make here. So this total angle, suppose line makes angle with HP, but front view it makes angle. See here, 20, 30, 40. So 46 degrees here front view made. Here this is alpha. Alpha means 46 degrees. Nothing but angle of inclination made by the front view with XY line. Suppose top view makes means here 40, 50, 55 degrees. So beta equal to 55 degrees. See, remember that alpha is greater than theta, beta is greater than pi. See, remember that, always remember that if line inclined to HP and inclined to VP, alpha is greater than theta. Why? Because alpha is 46, theta is 30. Condition is satisfied. Beta is 55 and pi is 45. So that's why beta is also greater than pi. In this way, if any problem you want to make inclination both HP, you want to find the projections in this way. Suppose you want to find out the traces for this problem. Extend this problem front view, it touches here, this is H. Then you want to extend the line top view. Upon that line draw vertical, you want to get the HT. Suppose you want to extend the top view here, you got V. Extend the front view, draw vertical line, get VT. So HT and VT. HT is always lies upon top view side and VT is always lies upon front view side. Simply you want to extend in this way. Suppose you want to make the traces extend way. So here front view it intersects here, that is H. Draw vertical line towards HT. So this point is HT. Suppose top view it cuts here, this is V. Draw vertical line towards front view, this is VT. See, remember that. So upon the top view HT lies, upon the front view VT lies. Suppose they will ask, otherwise not necessary. In this way, if any line inclined to HP and inclined to VP, you want to solve the problems in this way.